Good morning, my dear students. Ngasi noi class 9 gi hanagi chapter 9 gi area of parallelogram and triangles ki matang duni ko question han piriba question se munna yengsi ko piriba figure sida figure se given figure ne ko in the figure PQRS PQRS and the ABRS are parallelograms and X is any point on the side BR. Sini pyramid. Aduh praman to hari bana kari PQRS amasung ABRS haiba ani se area manai amasung AX S haiba triangle sigi area ga PQRS की तंखाई का माने है बाबा अनिशी उहारी सी को सॉरी बतांग सिदाई कोना सॉल्यूशन की तांगा वे खंगदब से triangles parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in areas है बाबा मलाई अभी की मतुंग इना एक triangle अनि parallelogram अनि से area माने है जना उतनी हान बता को से given दा वैसे PQRS and ABRS are parallelograms and X is any point on side BR सिनिको to prove प्रमाण तौगदबदा area of parallelogram kana PQRS is equal to प्रमाण number 1 इको सेना area of parallelogram ABRS हाबिसमा अनि सुपतना area of triangle AXS हाबिसगा half area of parallelogram PQRS हाबिसगा अनि सिंपल मन तो है सिको प्रूफ ता होजे से चेंज कना parallelogram kana PQRS and parallelogram ABRS are on the same base kana SR and between the same parallels kana SR and PAQB है बा लाइन सेगमेंट से सिगाल अनि सि मरक्ता सेम्बमरमना therefore area of PQRS is equal to area of ABRS and Rasmaina proof of the Masaki. Have the parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in areas. Have a name ko. Aduna hybrid parallelogram ani share base SR the chamber aduga between the parallels sigi SR amasung PAQR the chamber na boy ani share kumi area manarena harani ko puta lake aduga mu ani shuba praman dana praman number 2 dana se since kana triangle ABAXS and the parallelogram kana parallelogram ABRS AX S siga ABR S siga are on the same base same base AS and between the same parallels AS and the BR AS amasung BR sigi marakta semba oiba maramna moye triangle kanagi therefore area of triangle AXS is equal to half area of kilogram ABRS ko sure but area of kilogram से PQRS का माना है एरिया ऑफ किलोग्राम ABRS का माना है को अदुदी सिगी महुता सी सिंबे यारे नत्रो therefore area of triangle AXS is equal to half of area of kilogram PQRS na sinbiyari. Hence, proof. So, ito doon praman tawag ko. Pwede na. Si dalawa praman tawag ko. Ito na, masigis ma. Ako, ito na matang question. Ang magapige. Ano yung question na, piribise, question si muna taasi ko. A farmer was having a field in the form of a parallelogram PQRS. PQRS sigi monga farmer magi lagu amalay ko. She took any point A on SR. RS sida layba. A have any point amalawre. Aduga join it. Masibu samjanare P amasung Q samjanare ko. In how many parts of the field is divided? Field sibu saru kaya thong khai do pagi haiba. Ekoi no re madu saru ohum thong khai do iko. What are the shapes of these parts? Masigi parsing these shapes se kari no ye triangles ka tan iko. Adagi the farmer wants to show wheat and the pulses in equal portions of the field separately. Farmer sina tongan na lamsak manaba sarukta labuk sigi wheat ka gehu ga hawai singsiga thaninge ko adu itaragadi how should she do it masi mahana kamai tawgadagi ekona masida kani matu de kari nobu area manaba area ni tun khaidokadur bane area ni se kamai tawgadagi bu triangle amaga parallelogram amaga on the same kenota ekoi base ta between the same parallel the same target triangle A CPAQG area ga half area of triangle PQRS command parallelogram PQRS command kaneba asidagi CNG tinjanabagi polga siga manar kane adu itaragadi ani che sidana gihu thagera नत्रगे सिजना हवाई थागेरा जी ओंथा वंजु थाबा यारने को सिवाय होल कदुइनी अदुना अखोइना होजि क्वेश्चन जी मुतलके क्वेश्चन जी मुतलगा आंसर इबे तनम तौजि को solution da the shape of the field of the farmer is a parallelogram PQRS have a parallelogram siniko aduga and A is any point on RS the labor any point money. Now AP and AQZ are joined. अनिसे समझिनारे समझिना मतुंगा एकोने करी लाके वो obviously हाइबगे अर्थदी येंगरा तसेंग उरे मदुदी कैनोबु obviously the field is divided into three parts. Part hung thong khai de field je ko parts hung thong khai de that is in kana triangle PAQ haiba ma triangle APS haiba ma and triangle QAR haiba ma hung thong khai de ko je ado triangle hung thong khai de hojik since triangle PAQ and parallelogram PQRS are on the same base kana PQ and between the same parallels kana PQ and RS anisigi marakta same maramna sabra. Therefore area of triangle PAQ is equal to half area of triangle kana area of parallelogram PQRS hasiko sima relation 1 lena thanamasiko. Now say again area of parallelogram AB PQRS lagi minus area of triangle PAQ से खाइलोपगा area of parallelogram kana PQRS lagi minus half area of parallelogram kana PQRS si खाइलोपु माना जने को अदुदी सिगी पुनबा एरिया से सिगी ट्रायंगल की एरिया खाइलोपु तारगदि kana ले होरे implies that area of triangle APS mana APS sama plus area of triangle kana QAR haiba triangle anisi le horani tisana bi polse sidagi pun balti si khalok tardi se tanthai khalok tardi half area of parallelogram PQRS की तंखाई में ले रो इधर रिलेशन 2 ने ना लो ओके रिलेशन 1 and 2 सिदगी मतलब मुझे को रिलेशन from 1 and 2 say from relation 1 and 2 we get anisi jangdamnaba matamda right side anisi manare ko adu left side te lariba area of triangle PAQ siga is equal to area of triangle APS na APS plus area of triangle QAR हाइबसिगा तीनजनबी पोजिशन मानरे अदुदी thus the farmer can sow wheat in triangle kanaka PAQ sida and pulses in kanaka triangle APS plus triangle QAR sida unba or natragana within another say triangle APS plus triangle QAR and pulses in triangle PAQ nalore ko haibadi si mafam sida sigi area sida si triangle sigi area da wheat hunba amasung pulses na si ani sida hunba natragana wheat na si ani sida hunba aduga pulses na sida hunba ngamgane ko sumaina aga se lore ko se sigidi dalo chalne aduga mathangi hayengi class ta equina triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in areas have a triangle anigi base ma khata da parallel anigi manung de siamba triangle ani se area manai have a theorem takani toina namagi takani ko okay let us finish for today.